study about the wool. What is wool? Wool is also an animal fiber. It is a natural fiber. Okay. So in winter we need to wear woolen clothes now, because these are warm. These keep us warm, because they have lot of warmth in them. They used to trap the lot of air inside them. Between them they used to trap a lot of air, and these are the very good insulator of heat also. That's why they keep us warm. Insulator of heat. They are very good insulators of heat. Insulators means the thing which is used to absorb heat. It's called as the insulator. Okay, they used to absorb the heat now. That's why they are called as very good insulators. Now, sources of wool. Source means from where we get wool. Have you ever think that you are wearing different types of beautiful sweaters, shawls, mufflers? So where these are coming from? Okay, how these are being made? So we will learn about this in this. Source of wool. Sources of wool are sheep. Sheep is very common. Okay, we all know that we get wool from sheep. Some other animals are also there, like yak. Okay, goats. We get wool from goat also. Okay, and some more animals are also there that you I think don't know about them. These are very rarely found here. Some animal like llama. Okay, we get wool from them also, because their hairs are so much fine and soft that they can be made into a very soft woolen clothes. Okay, first of all wool is converted into a fabric, and then wool is converted into a fiber, and then fabric is being made. Sometimes some special breeds are also there for the formation of good quality of hair. So how this happens? Sometimes what happens? Some special breed of sheep are chosen. Okay, some special breeds of sheep. For example, if you got a sheep with very good hairs, very good brown hair, and if it will be crossed with another good sheep, then a very beautiful offspring will be made. Okay, the offspring which have different types of colors in them. For example, if a grey colored sheep is crossed with a brown colored sheep, then the offspring will have both the colors on their hair now. That's why they are special breeds are formed. Okay, special breeds are crossed for the formation of a good offspring, and this is called as selective breeding. Okay, selective breeding means because we are selecting now, for breeding we are selecting, that's why it is called as selective breeding. Okay, so now how wool is being made? So first of all, very common, definitely we used to raise them. Okay, we used to raise the sheep, then only the wool is being made now. So first of all, shepherds do. Shepherds, what are shepherds? Who used to raise sheep. Okay, who used to raise sheep or goat are called as shepherds. Okay, so first of all, shepherd used to raise the sheep. Okay, and provide them very good food, fodder, so that they can have very thick hair on their skin. That's why they are raised by the shepherds very nicely. Okay, then what happened after that? Shearing. Okay, first of all, raising is very definitely occurs. Okay, then after that, shearing means removal of hair from the body of the sheep. Okay, removal of hairs from the body of the sheep is called as shearing. Okay, so from which instrument is being done? It is done by mechanical razors. Okay, razors are being provided to the shepherds, by which they used to remove the wool from them. Okay, from the sheep. Okay, the removed wool, the wool which is being removed from the skin of the sheep is now called as fleece. Okay, the hair which is being removed from the skin of the sheep is now called as fleece. So all of you understand what is shearing? Shearing is removal of hair. After that, scoring. Scoring means the hair which is being removed by the skin of the sheep is now to be washed. Washed now, because on the skin it will be dirty now. Have some insects also. It will be dirty. It have grease. Okay, oil. Skin also. Some skin are also in that hairs. Okay, so then what happened? After shearing, scoring. Scoring means washing. Washing of the fleece is called as scoring. Because the fleece contains a lot of grease, skin and other waste material, that's why it is washed. It is thoroughly washed and the dirt is being removed from the wool. Okay, and this process is called as scoring. After this which process? The process is sorting. Sorting means after washing and drying, the wool fibers are separated. Okay, different textures. These are separated on the basis of different textures. For example, good quality wool, the poor quality wool. According to that, it is being separated. After this, what happened? Removing of burr. Burr is being removed. Burr means the unnecessary particles, unnecessary things which are present in the fleece now also. That is being removed. After that, dyeing occurs, because dyeing is necessary. Na? Dyeing is important because wool is of white color. Na? After that, it is being dyed into different colors. Then yarn is being made. Okay. Then from yarn, different types of fabrics are being made. Understood, everyone? Okay, so all of you understood the making of silk and the making of wool. So now we will study about the occupational hazards. Occupational hazards means the hazards or the different types of diseases we get from that occupation are called as occupational hazards. Okay, the accidents which used to happen in any industries are called as occupational hazards. So what are these occupational hazards and how are these caused? These can be caused by the exposure to chemical agents. So chemical agents in wool and silk industry also. For example, if a person is working in a wool industry, then see, wool contains a lot of dirt now when it is gone for scoring. Okay, when it is gone for scoring, then just before that contains a lot of dirt in it. Okay, then the people who are working in the wool industry, the wool can enter into their body. How? From the nasal passage. So by entering through the nasal passage, they can be affected by different type of diseases. Okay, for example, it can even cause cancer. Okay, many types of allergies are also being caused, skin disorders, because these wool can infect your skin also. Okay, and respiratory diseases, generally respiratory disease will be occur because it will enter through the nose. That's why it causes respiratory disorders. Okay, so exposure to chemical agents is the first, and second is exposure to dust and fibers. Okay, dust is very definitely occurs in these industries. Dust is must. And fibers, wool or silk, these fibers contain some chemicals inside them. That's why it causes allergies, nasal cancer also. Okay, nasal means nose. Inside the nose the cancer occurs. Okay, it also causes very fatal diseases. For example, Sorter's disease. Okay, from the feathers of these animals. Okay, feathers or wool of these animals, it can be caused. Okay, everyone. So this is about the whole chapter, that how silk is being made, how wool is being prepared. Okay, what are the occupational hazards, from where silk and wool used to come. Okay, the sources of silk and wool. So this is what in this chapter. Okay, thank you.